Start. We have no reservation if the government were to bring amendments to the bill, but we have objection to withdrawing the bill and the hasty manner in which it is sought to be done, that we are given the notice just now and we have no time to examine. Stop. Also, sir, I would like the records to be checked. Stop. My dear friend, Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, has made the statement that the standing committee had disapproved it. Stop. We question that. Stop. Let the records establish the correctness of this particular statement that the standing committee had rejected the bill or disapproved the bill. Stop. Era. Sir, I heard Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, that is right. Stop. This is not a subject where there can be any partisan divisions or partisan positions taken. Stop. That is why we specifically referred to the near unanimity among the members when this issue was discussed and debated, and that was one of the finest debates, in my memory, for the last year. Stop. But, sir, the chairman of the standing committee is from this house and he is present in the house. Stop. The house must also hear the chairman of the standing committee. Stop. Now, the government has said that they want to withdraw the bill and they have had consultations with jurists and others. Stop. So, the government is taking a view on what should be the new architecture and on the bill that they propose to bring as a new bill for judicial appointments. Stop. Era. Now, it is not the question whether on judicial appointments, as such, a departure is to be made from the collegium system to the appointments commission. Stop. On the composition of the appointments commission and the manner in which the appointment will be made, there is need for a wide-ranging consultation and a prior consensus, in which all those parties who had given their views in this house, all those parties who were members of the standing committee, should be allowed to speak before the bill is withdrawn. Stop. Last week, the Home Ministry was being discussed. Stop. The Department of Disaster Management is part of the functions of the Home Ministry. Stop. But also discussing about the natural calamities, and I think, there was a general consensus that most of the natural calamities are man-made. Stop. They are that natural. Stop. We have to be careful about environment interruptions. Stop. But today I would like to focus attention on equally, possibly more serious situation which is on the agenda of the Home Ministry, and not to be serious agenda of the Home Ministry, that is, about the internal situation, and issues like our preparedness to fight terrorism. Stop. They are equally daunting challenges. Stop. The internal security situation and our preparation for fighting terrorism, both calls for serious reconsideration, continued vigil and preparation to meet unforeseen challenges. Stop. As we find over the years, terrorism has really been troubling us, and retarding our orderly progress. Stop. Terrorists have most sophisticated weapons is a surprise stop against most of the attacks by terrorists, we were found wanting stop. They have surprised us stop. They strike at the places of their choice stop. They strike at the time of their choice stop. And often we do not know what is going to happen stop era. Let us say 2008 stop. They came by rubber boats stop. Nobody could have thought, they could have come by rubber boats to Bandwar Park and then fan out and create havoc stop. I do not want to go into the details of that stop, but as a nation we were not prepared for it stop. The responses, at that time, were ad hoc stop. There was a Coast Guard failure stop. There was a local police failure stop. There was not even a beat constable at Bandwar Park who could have asked the people who were coming out of the rubber boat, where have you come from stop? What are you going to do there stop? That was a fisherman's village, not very far from Kolaba, main arterial road of Mumbai stop. Then, response by various agencies was panicky stop. The local police, the naval authorities, Coast Guard authorities, the National Security Guard, at that time, I am just giving an example, were off guard stop. The National Security Guard was to be flown in stop. The planes were in Chandigarh stop. Para. The National Security Guard campus was at Manesar stop. The planes had to come and the people who came from Manesar were flown to Mumbai stop. We have lost a lot of time stop. They fought brave battles stop. There is no doubt about it stop. There was lack of coordination stop. Every day 5 or 6 new news briefings were given to the newsmen and media, which again was creating confusion and conflicting versions were given stop. We had lost over 160 people in the terrorist attack stop. If I pick up another instance, everyone will be surprised that lack of vigil has cost us heavily stop.